Billy. We've got, we got a fire pit. They got a sink. How you gonna? What's your plan? Wouldn't it be easier? Look a little bit up there. You do. Cool. This is Croc Creek? Croc Creek. Cool. Alrighty. First bogey at Croc Creek.
First bogey of the trip. No salt here, all fresh.
There's another creek top. Top up top there is dark rock. Yeah. Falls from there, I'd say. Our boat down the bottom there. Obviously not going to rain because there's dragonfly everywhere.
I wonder why they call it Croc Creek. Ah, cool. I wonder why they call it Croc Creek. The other way. Remember the tide's going out, so we don't want to be up here for too long. Yeah, no, this is not going anywhere.
Yeah. Pulled up on a nice little beach.
Now where? Be cool to go, like, have a look up here. No, this is nice.
Got the boat down there. Look at the beach. Nice. Hey? Oh, can I have a look?
This place is very nice. There's like so much stuff to do.
So many beaches to look at.
Yeah.
That lead. Let's have a look in here. Hey, where is it? Hey. They're back in the late 1800s. This is called actually Abraham Lincoln Skull Cave. Hey. Oh, these rocks are proper sharp. But no, nothing in there really. Nothing is really in here. Yeah. I'm gonna just see if I can get a bit of a view from up here. Alright. I'll be 2 secs. Here we go. There's that bloke. There's the boat. Now that it's getting down. Oh god, he's leaving us. We gotta go. We gotta go. He's getting out. He's leaving. Oh. In all its glory. There's that. Look at that. Shit. Wouldn't be. Anyway, I'll find my way back down. Just throw 2 hands to do it. There we go. Alright, let's go. Alright. Yep, alright. Pretty cool, yeah. Ah, definitely cool. So, where to next? What's our next spot?
We'll go to our camp spot.
Yep. What was that lady just saying they were getting mangrove jacks?
Sound like bloody.
I dive into the Japanese jet.
Seeing our next campsite. What do you think of this site, Dale? Completely surrounded by rocks. Very nice. How's the day been, Dale?
Pretty good, all up. No fish. Take home.
No take-home fish. We've got plenty of fish. There's nothing to take home. But tomorrow's another day. Beautiful sunset. We'll capture that a little bit later.
Okay, ready?